Ever wanted a security camera that can record the front and the back and everything in between? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Jeep. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus X1 Pro. It's the world's first smart AI dual tracking security camera. This security camera is actually two cameras that can turn so they can record the left, the right, and everything in between. So, as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Jeep, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Jeep. Today we're going to take a look at this Baseus X1 Pro outdoor dual camera. Looks like we've got the world's first smart AI dual tracking security camera. Works on some AI assistant style stuff like Alexa and Google Home. Packaging looks very, very nice. This is actually a different kind of material, so this is like a kind of a gloss, and then this is different. So it's very, very cool that the packaging itself is unique. So very, very cool that the packaging itself is really unique. On the side, we've got some QR codes, we've got some information right here. On the back, we've got a lot of details on how the security camera works and what all features it offers. So that looks very, very nice, very, very clean. But guess what? This is Baseus, and their packaging is always nice. This is a very professional company, so let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this quick start guide right here. So it's just going to give you information on what's included in the box and just how to get the app set up and some additional information and details on setting the camera up and installing it and how to go about that. So right here is also some customer service information. Very cool, very nice, very important. Looks like we have part of our mounting system right here. I'm going to assume some of this is for the solar panel and some of this is for the camera itself. Looks like some of this is a slot in and click, and some of it's going to be screwed in and mounted up. So very cool that you don't have to worry about that. Everything you need for mounting is included. We've got our screws right here, so everything you need to actually screw those mounts into place and put everything together, it's definitely included in the bag. We've got a really nice solar panel right here, and wow, this thing just looks really nice and feels really nice. Look at the length on this cable, so it looks like you don't have to necessarily mount this directly to the camera. You can put it far away. Looks like we've got a USB-C cable here with some kind of waterproofing surrounding it, so you should be able to wedge that into the camera and keep the water out of it. But that looks really, really nice. And finally, what you came for. Wow, this is super, super cool. We have never reviewed a camera like this before. Looks like we got two cameras on the side here, and I'm going to guess these might be able to turn and spin. They kind of look like they might do it. Looks like we've got some kind of maybe reader here that's going to be able to scan and give us some information. Looks like we've got some kind of meter here or reader here that's going to be able to scan and give us some information. Wow, this thing just looks really, really nice. On the back, we've got our sink, we've got our power right here. So again, you know, keep in mind you will be able to do the solar panel on this thing. So that's everything you see in the box. So let's go ahead and set it up and try it out. This is the Baseus X1 Pro outdoor security camera. This is the world's first smart AI dual tracking security camera. 360 degrees of max pan tracking, dual 125 degree cameras with 55 degrees of horizontal panning, each deliver an unprecedented ultra wide view. And with dual independent 3K cameras, it's unlike single lens cameras that track one thing at a time. The X1 Pro's two AI driven cameras can follow two subjects simultaneously and hand off seamlessly, so your yard stays covered without blind spots. And with dual independent camera tracking, each camera works separately, securing two areas at once with the independent AI tracking. Dual sentry and patrol mode. When in standby, both PIR sensors stay alert. Once movement is detected, the cameras activate automatically to track the subject and to start recording. The two cameras rotate independently at preset intervals to actively scan for potential threats, providing wide and consistent surveillance. You'll be able to see split-screen crystal view with 26 feet of detection range. And with the live cross-cam AI tracking, the cameras work together to track motion from one to the other, confirming uninterrupted tracking paths with no detail loss. That's dual independent 3K cameras. Because it's 3K crystal clear imaging, it's continuous day and night monitoring with every detail captured. That's 8 megapixels of wide range, 8 times digital zoom, and 100 lumen spotlights. One camera, double the value. Monitors both your front and rear yard simultaneously, protecting your entire home. That's right, because this is equipped with 2 cameras, you can set them to monitor both the left and the right, and meet in the middle. And did I mention this 20 minutes of sunlight for 24/7 operation? It's auto sun power tracking system. Doubles charging capacity compared to the static one. The solar panel is detachable for optimal sunlight. This is a 3-watt solar panel maximizing charging efficiency in your sun power tracking system. 20 minutes equals 24 hours. 120-degree adjustable solar panel with 3 watts of solar charging and a built-in 150-day battery. Next level NeuroNext technology 2.0, AI powered recognition, people, faces, vehicles, and pets, and only alerts for suspicious activity when notifications are enabled. And you can store your data securely on local storage with no monthly subscription fee. It supports up to a 512GB micro SD card, but do keep in mind this is not included, so there's no need for the cloud, giving you full data control. IP65 waterproof, it's engineered to withstand the toughest weather with an IP65 rating. So Baseus robust camera is waterproof to extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Easy to set up, patented 3-axis flexible bracket offers multiple mounting angles for the best view at all times. Smart app control, so you can stay connected anytime, anywhere with the Baseus security app. That's live stream, video replay, and instant notifications. 2-way audio is available, so the mobile app can operate it, and the camera can transmit the sound inside and outside the lens. Smart event tagging and search, just like the iPhone albums. The built-in AI tags and organizes each recorded event into a searchable timeline. Just tap in a keyword and it instantly finds what you're looking for. The Baseus X1 Pro is jam-packed with amazing features, giving you the ability to have full coverage and peace of mind. I've gotta say, Baseus, great job. As you know, we've worked with Baseus quite a few times in the past, and their products have always been fantastic. But I will say, this is the first security camera we've ever reviewed from Baseus, and this thing is awesome. Again, it's the world's first. We want to give a huge shout out to Baseus for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheat. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.